Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping water flow and removing as much pooled water as possible so you can see what you're doing. Once drained, remove the sink stopper or strainer and clear out hair and gunk by hand. This immediately improves flow. Next, position a bucket beneath the P-trap and loosen the slip nuts with an adjustable wrench. Expect some residual water. Make sure to keep tools handy, plunger for surface clogs, and a 3-6-foot snake for the deeper blockage, so you can move directly to the next stage. Once the P-trap is off, clean it thoroughly and inspect washers and alignment. Worn washers can leak or trap debris. If the trap is clear but water still backs up, feed the plumber's snake into the horizontal tailpiece and rotate while pushing forward to break up internal clogs. Withdraw slowly to remove material. After reassembly, pour a kettle of hot water down the drain to dissolve grease and run the tap to confirm flow. If movement is slow, repeat snaking and recheck connections and seals. Reassemble the P-trap and stopper, making sure slip nuts are snug, hand tight plus a quarter turn to avoid stripping. Turn the water back on and run both hot and cold at full flow while watching for leaks. Use the disposal or dishwasher briefly if applicable to ensure the entire line clears. If water remains slow, try an enzymatic drain cleaner overnight to eat organic buildup. If that fails or you smell sewage, stop and call a professional to avoid wasting time or causing damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.